There's a number that quietly controls your entire financial life in America. It determines whether you get the apartment you want or get rejected, whether you pay $700, whether the bank trusts you with a mortgage or slams the door in your face. That number is your credit score. And here's the brutal truth. Nobody teaches you how it actually works. Not your parents, not your school, not your bank. They just expect you to figure it out, and most people don't until it's too late. My name is Your Name, and today I'm going to show you the exact secrets that can take your credit score from 500 to 750 plus faster than you think possible. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know more about credit than 90% of Americans. So what exactly is a credit score? Think of it like a financial report card, but instead of A, B, C grades, you get a number between 300 and 850. Here's how the scale breaks down. 300 to 579, poor. Banks see you as high risk. 580 to 669, fair. You'll get loans, but at terrible rates. 670 to 739, good. You're in the average American zone. 740 to 799, very good. Banks start treating you like a VIP. 800 to 850, exceptional. You get the best rates on everything. The average American credit score is 717. That sounds okay, but here's what most people don't realize. The difference between a 620 score and a 750 score can cost you over $80,000 extra in interest over 30 years. Let that sink in. $80,000 gone just because of a number you never learned how to control. Let me show you how this plays out in real life with real dollars. Car loan example. You want a car at $26,200. With a credit score of 667, your rate might be 8.5%. Monthly payment, $467. Over 5 years, you pay $10,000 in pure interest. But with a credit score of 750, your rate drops to 4%. Monthly payment, $3,960 on the exact same car. Apartment example. In most major American cities, landlords require a credit check. A score below 620, you need a cosigner or a double deposit, or they simply reject you. Credit card example. Bad credit, 24 to 29% APR. Good credit, 12 to 15% APR. One small balance carried over a year on bad credit costs you hundreds more in fees. Your credit score is not just a number. It is the most powerful financial tool you have in America, and most people are losing thousands of dollars every year because they don't understand how to use it. To fix your credit score, you need to understand what builds it. FICO, the company behind most credit scores, uses 5 factors. Let me break them down. Factor 1. Payment history, 35%. This is the biggest factor. One single late payment can drop your score by 60 to 110 points overnight. Pay every bill on time. Set up autopay. This is non-negotiable. Factor 2. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're using. If your credit card limit is $7,000, your utilization is 70%, and that's crushing your score. The secret? Keep it below 10%. Not 30%, not 20%. 10% or less is where the magic happens. Factor 3. Length of credit history, 15%. The older your accounts, the better. This is why you should never close your oldest credit card, even if you don't use it anymore. That card's age is gold. Factor 4. Credit mix, 10%. Having different types of credit cards, auto loans, student loans, shows banks you can handle different types of debt responsibly. Factor 5. New credit inquiries, 10%. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it creates a hard inquiry that can drop your score by 5 to 10 points. Don't apply for multiple credit accounts at the same time. Okay, now we get to the part nobody talks about. The 5 credit secrets that can move your score faster than anything else. Secret number 1, the 15-3 payment hack. Most people think paying on time once a month is enough. Here's the secret. Pay your credit card twice a month, once 15 days before the due date, and once 3 days before. This keeps your reported balance extremely low and can boost your score 20 to 40 points within 60 days. Secret number 2, Become an authorized user. Find a family member or trusted friend who has a credit card with 0 balance and 5 years of history. Ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Their entire account history gets added to your credit report, and your score jumps, sometimes by 50 to 100 points. Secret number 3. Request a credit limit increase. Call your credit company every 6 months and ask for a credit limit increase, but do not increase your spending. If your limit goes from $10,000 and your balance stays at $500, your utilization drops from 10% to 5%. Instant score boost, 0 effort. Secret number 4. Dispute errors on your credit report. Did you know that 1 in 5 Americans have errors on their credit report? Go to annualcreditreport.com. It's free. Check all 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you find any wrong information, wrong addresses, accounts you don't recognize, late payments that were actually on time, dispute them immediately. The bureau has 30 days to investigate. If they can't verify it, it gets removed. I've seen people's scores jump 80 to 100 points just from fixing errors. Secret number 5, the credit builder loan. If your score is very low or you have no credit history, go to a credit union and ask for a credit builder loan. It's designed specifically for this. The loan amount sits in a savings account while you make monthly payments. You're building payment history and saving money at the same time. After 12 months, your score improves and you get the money. It's the safest, most effective way to build credit from scratch. Here's your 90-day credit score action plan. Follow this exactly. Month 1, pull your free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Dispute any errors you find immediately. Set up autopay for all bills. Never miss a payment again. Call your credit card company and request a limit increase. Month 2, start the 15-3 payment method on your credit cards. Ask a trusted person to add you as an authorized user. Keep your credit utilization below 10%. Month 3, check your score. You should see a meaningful jump. Apply for a credit builder loan if your score is still below 650. Do not open any new credit accounts yet. If you follow this plan consistently, it is completely realistic to move your score 100 to 150 points within 90 to 180 days. That's the difference between being rejected and being approved. That's the difference between a high interest rate and a low one. That's thousands of dollars back in your pocket. Your credit score is not permanent. It is not your destiny. It is a system, and now you know exactly how to work that system. Most people spend years wondering why they keep getting rejected, why they keep paying more, why wealth feels so far away. Now you know the reason, and more importantly, you know the solution. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Dollar Growth Lab, because every week we break down the exact financial strategies that build real wealth in America. Hit the like button, drop a comment telling me your current credit score, and I'll see you in the next video, because your financial future starts right here, right now.